Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2021 YAMAHA Wolverine RMAX 1000 XTR. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2021 YAMAHA Wolverine with 1,343 miles runs well. It comes equipped with reverse and navigation. It's been upgraded with Colpin side mirrors, a Boss audio system, an aftermarket skid plate, an LED light bar, a windshield and windshield wipers, a rear window, fender flares, LED turn signals, LED light trim, and a spare wheel. Powered by a 999cc parallel twin engine, the Wolverine puts 108 horsepower through an Ultramatic CVT transmission. It seats two, has a 9.2-gallon fuel capacity, a 2,000-pound towing capacity, a 13.inch ground clearance, and a 2,000-pound wet weight. We measured this vehicle's charging output at 14 volts. Both front tires are at 15-30 seconds, and both rear tires are at 13-30 seconds. We took this vehicle for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this vehicle so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this vehicle's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a cut in the roof, final peeling on the left door, scratches on the left door, holes have been drilled in the tailgate, and there's a piece missing on the hood. This vehicle has an owner's manual, a toolkit, and 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This vehicle has been through our Select program. It received repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.